ORP cabinet connectors are brackets that must be used when attaching an ORP column to an adjacent cabinet at the end of a run. These brackets fasten to the ORP column and create a connection point to the cabinet. First, line up the top bracket with the holes at the top of the ORP column, add a screw to each side, and tighten. Then, do the same thing with the bottom bracket. Once the brackets are on, place the ORP on the cabinet's bottom lip so that the screws are just sitting in the holes, and push the top bracket into the space at the top of the cabinet. From the inside of the adjacent cabinet, insert 2 screws at the top and tighten them so that the column is secure. The installed ORP now blends effortlessly with the cabinet as a side column, offering a clean, cohesive look.